Now there's a McDonnell Douglas Globemaster, United States Air Force. Dirty bastard.
Hell of a trail, that.
It is, isn't it?
Well, there's a...
There he is. You know, crap of this. I'm terrible with cameras. Right. There you go, Globemaster. Terrible. There you go, United States Air Force. Now that is an air raid, Boris Johnson. Don't give a shit if your PR stunt is saying that you're in intensive care. You can't catch a virus and you bloody know it. And I also know you're playing on the stupidity of the people. Anyway, there you go. Right across out front, United States Air Force. What a bloody mess. So Amber Rudd, what's the other name? Claudette Bigelow, Department for Transport, Boris Johnson, and all you criminals, you criminal terrorist government. That is an air raid over mainland England, and you're ignoring it. You say it's not happening, despite the House of Commons 2009-2010 fifth session. I think it was Science and Technology where you authorised all this. Amber Rudd denied it in 2013. I've been posting that letter. We got a letter in 2016 from Claudette Bigelow, Department for Transport, saying that this does not happen. You're a bunch of bloody liars. A lot of you should be locked up. You should all be investigated. In much the same way you got rid of all the paedophile records. You bent, you corrupt, you all should all be in bloody prison. Or worse. There you go anyway. United States Air Force, thank you. You bastards. Right across the sky. So look at that, that's miles away. That was 25 mile plus. And that is not a contrail. A few dickheads out there that say it is. I'm afraid that is not, and you know damn well it is not. What are you going to say next that it's got faulty engines on it? Friggin' mess. Control my ass. Right. Anyway, I'm not sitting out here all bloody morning filming this lot. This particular one, I mean. It's pretty damn obvious what he's done. With the criminals flying it. You're criminals. Trump, you arsehole. Boris Johnson, you're bloody... oh, I don't know. I wish the people would wake up. You cannot catch a virus. It has to be injected. Now when they start injecting people, that is when people will start dying. Really, for real. But you'll all still have your heads buried in the bloody sand anyway, so I mean, why bother, eh? I mean, they're going to roll out 5G, they're doing it all over at shop. That's when people will start dying. 60 gigahertz. It blocks the body's ability to absorb oxygen. Anyway, madness aside. People, look up Event 201. That was done in October last year. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Johns Hopkins University, I think it was. I know it was definitely Gates. I'm sure it was Johns Hopkins, I don't know. It's not a university, I know it's American, isn't it? That was a pandemic, coronavirus, pandemic. And they rolled this out straight afterwards. This police state. Seem to be martial law, no doubt. But, yep, I've been sat out here a while now, so there you go, it's still there. A few aircraft buffs, you know, that lasting contrail. God, talk of a sleep. Make me bloody sick. Right, I'm gonna get his details anyway, sod this. So this is the one I prepped earlier. And he is 100% guilty. It's United States Air Force, USAF. Operator code McDonnell Douglas Charlie-17 Alpha. Globemaster 3. Registration 93-0600. Plane identity. And is Alpha Echo 07 Delta Alpha. Flight Romeo Charlie Hotel 637. And you guys on that plane should be bloody ashamed of yourselves. 34,000 feet there. You really should be ashamed of yourselves. Blindly taking orders, told when to eat, sleep and shit. My God, what's up with you guys? Wake the hell up to what they're doing. It's a pandemic. Event 201, look it up. You're doing this to us, somebody's doing it to your families. Wake the hell up, please.